Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. So today we will see the topic comparing fraction. Question will ask you students, compare the fraction. Some fraction will give you, you have to compare which one is greatest, which one is smallest, or you can say in ascending order. Question will ask you to make in ascending order all the fraction. So let's solve it. First step you have to do is find the LCM of the denominator. Here denominator is 3, 4, 12 and 16. So how you will find it? See in the rough paper. LCM of 3, 4, 12 and 16. Let's solve it. This 4, 12 and 16 is even numbers. So smallest table we will take, that is 2. So 3 doesn't comes in the table 2. 4 comes how many times? 2 times. 12 comes 6 times. 16 comes 8 times. Okay. Now again 2, 6, 8 is even numbers. So we will take 2. Again we will write same. It comes 1, 6 comes 3, it comes 4. Now see. Here 3 are 2. Okay, so we will take 3 table. It comes 1. Same we will write 1. Same. Now what you get? 2 into 2 into 3 into 4. When you will multiply this, you get 48. So the LCM of this 4 denominator is 48. So here you will write 48. Next, you will make all this fraction, okay, the denominator same. So, here you will write, therefore, 2 by 3. First fraction I have taken. So, here denominator is 3, you have to make 48. So, in the table 3, 48, how many times comes? 16 times. So, in numerator and denominator both, we will multiply with 16, 2 into 16. And 3 into 16. When you will solve this, you get here numerator 48, numerator 32. See, 2 by 3 becomes 32 by 48. Same process we will do with 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So in the table 4, 48 how many times comes? 12 times. So we will multiply 12 with numerator and denominator both. 4 into 12. What you get? You get 36 by 48. Okay. Now next is 5 by 12. Same process you will do. In the table 12, 48 comes 4 times. So we will multiply numerator and denominator both with 4. That is 5 into 4 and 12 into 4. That is 20 by 48. Now next 9 by 16. This is last one. 9 by 16. In the table 16, 48 comes how many times? 3 times. So we will multiply numerator and denominator both with 3. That is 9 into 3. 16 into 3. What you get? You get 27 by 48. Now students see. When you will solve this fraction, what you get? This. So in this students, you have to find the greatest fraction. How you will find the greatest fraction? You will see the numerator now. Because denominator are same. So you will see the numerator ones. So greatest fraction you have to find. Now see in the numerator which one is greatest? See 36 is greatest. 36 by 48. So here we will write 36 by 48. That is 3 by 4, means this fraction will be greatest. Now you will find lowest fraction. Which one is lowest, students? See in the numerator 20 is lowest. Okay, so 20 by 48, that is 5 by 12. That is 5 by 12. So 3 by 4 is the greatest factor among this, okay, and 5 by 12 is the lowest among this. So next question will ask you, arrange in the ascending order. Okay, now ascending order, how you will arrange? In this you will see the numerator ones. First you will see which one is smallest in ascending order. Small, then little bit greater, then little bit greater. We will write it. Now in this, smallest one is 20 by 48. That means 5 by 12. So 5 by 12. Now which one is greatest? Next, that is 27 by 48 means 9 by 16. 9 by 16. Next, tell me, that is 32 by 48 means 2 by 3. And last one is 3 by 4. This is the ascending orders. Now descending orders. Descending order. In this you have to find first greatest one, then little bit smallest, then smallest. Okay. So first one is 3 by 4. As already I have told you, this one is greatest one. Now this is one is greatest one, the little bit smallest, that is 32 by 48 means 2 by 3. Next 9 by 16 and next 5 by 12. So this is ascending order, this is descending order among these. Okay. So students, ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest, and descending order means arranging the numbers from greatest to the smallest. Students, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.